Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Have you forgotten your Facebook password and wondering how to view it on your profile? In this video, I will explain if it's possible to see your password and where you can view it on Facebook. Let's go. Unfortunately, you won't be able to directly view your account password because Facebook prioritizes security by preventing direct access to stored passwords within the app or website. Still, there are methods to recover your account if you forget your password. One option is to utilize password managers, which are digital tools designed to securely store and manage your passwords. If you use an iPhone or iOS device, your Facebook credentials might be saved in Apple's built-in iCloud keychain. To check, navigate to Settings, browse to Passwords menu, and provide your Face ID or device passcode to verify access. Locate Facebook from the list, and tap the password field to reveal and copy it. Another commonly used tool is Google's Password Manager. If you frequently logged into Facebook using a Chrome browser linked to your Google account, there's a possibility your credentials are saved. Open your browser and access this information by entering chrome://password-manager/passwords. Then search for Facebook. Select the existing account and view the saved password easily. If you haven't saved your Facebook credentials in any password manager, resetting your password is the only option left. This process is relatively simple. Just click Forgot Password on the sign-in page and follow the steps, which should be straightforward as long as you have access to the email address or phone number linked to your account. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.